If you want to master the top 20 verbs for IELTS, you need to watch this. We'll show you how to analyze, improve, achieve, and overcome.
First, the verb contribute, which means to give something like money, time, or ideas to help achieve a goal. You can use synonyms such as add, donate, or chip in. A common collocation is contribute to, or, quote, contribute significantly, as in, she contributed valuable ideas to the project. Next is establish, meaning to set up or create something that will last. Synonyms include create, found, or set up. Common collocations are establish a company, or, quote, establish rules. For example, the company was established in 1990. The verb facilitate means to make an action or process easier or smoother. Use synonyms like ease, assist, or enable. You might say you facilitate discussion or facilitate progress, just as the teacher facilitates group discussions. Formulate means to develop or create a plan, idea, or strategy carefully. Synonyms are develop, devise, or design. Use it with collocations like formulate a plan or formulate a strategy, as in the example. They formulated a new marketing strategy. We use generate to talk about producing or creating something, especially ideas or energy. Synonyms include produce, create, or make. Common collocations are generate ideas or generate income. For instance, the project generated a lot of interest. Guarantee is to promise that something will happen or be the case. Synonyms are promise, assure, warrant, or pledge. Useful collocations include guarantee quality or guarantee satisfaction. You might say, we guarantee the quality of our products. To illustrate means to explain or make something clear using examples or pictures. Synonyms are demonstrate, show, or clarify. Common collocations include illustrate a point or illustrate with examples as shown in the sentence. The teacher illustrates the concept with a diagram. Incorporate means to include something as part of a whole. Synonyms include, integrate, add, or combine. You can use collocations like incorporate into or incorporate features, for example. The design incorporates new safety features. The verb indicate means to show, point out, or be a sign of something. Synonyms are show, signal, or suggest. Common collocations include indicate a problem or clearly indicate, like in the sentence, the data indicates a clear trend. Interpret means to explain the meaning of something or to translate between languages. Synonyms include explain, decode, or understand. Common collocations are, quote, interpret data or interpret results, as in, she interprets for international meetings. Use maintain to mean keeping something in good condition or continuing something. Synonyms include keep, preserve, sustain, or uphold. Common collocations are maintain standards or maintain contact. For example, we maintain high-quality standards. Modify means to change something slightly to improve it or make it suitable. Synonyms include change, alter, adjust, or adapt. Collocations include modify a plan or modify behavior, as in, we need to modify the design slightly. To obtain means to get something, especially through effort or request. Synonyms are get, acquire, gain, or secure. Common collocations include obtain permission or obtain information, as in the example. He obtained a visa for his trip. Finally, perform means to carry out a task or action, or simply to do something. Synonyms are do, carry out, execute, or complete. Common collocations are perform a task or perform well. For example, she performed brilliantly in the exam. Moving on to proceed, which means to continue or move forward. Synonyms include continue, advance, or progress. You might use it as proceed with or proceed carefully, as in the example, please proceed with the next step. The verb propose means to suggest a plan, idea, or course of action. Use synonyms like suggest, recommend, or present. Common collocations include propose a solution or, quote, propose a plan, as shown in the sentence. He proposed a new approach to the problem. Resolve means to solve a problem or settle a disagreement. Synonyms are solve, settle, fix, or determine. Frequent collocations include resolve an issue or resolve a conflict, for instance. They resolve the conflict peacefully. To respond is to reply or react to something. Synonyms include reply, answer, react, or acknowledge. Use the collocations respond to or respond quickly, as in, she responded to the email immediately. Reveal means to make something known that was previously hidden or secret. Synonyms are show, disclose, uncover, or expose. Common collocations include reveal a secret or reveal information. For example, the study reveals surprising results. The verb select means to choose someone or something carefully. Synonyms include choose, pick, or opt for. Collocations include select carefully or select from a range, as in the example. Please select the best option for your needs. To specify means to identify or describe something clearly and definitely. Synonyms include state, define, or detail. Common collocations are specify requirements or clearly specify. For example, the contract specifies the delivery dates. Sustain means to cause something to continue for a period of time. Synonyms include maintain, support, or keep up. Frequent collocations are sustain growth or sustain effort. As shown in the example, it is difficult to sustain this pace for long. Transform means to change the form, appearance, or character of something. Synonyms include change, convert, alter, or evolve. Collocations include transform into or transform completely, as in, the renovation transformed the old building into a library. The verb substitute means to use one thing in place of another. Synonyms are replace, swap, or exchange. Common collocations include substitute A for B, or substitute ingredients, as in, you can substitute butter with oil in this recipe. Finally, verify means to prove or check that something is true or accurate. Synonyms are confirm, check, validate, or prove. Common collocations are verify information or verify identity. For example, please verify your details before submitting.